Today I will show you how to repair a stuck up power button like this. So it's going back. When you switch off, nothing happened. So we will repair it. We use to repair it. It's a 220 volts, 5 ampere. Is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver or a flat screwdriver. When it fits here, so we can open all the sides, all the nuts. Yeah. Here. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so after you release or take out the nuts, all the nuts, and so right now we will about to take up the keys. Alright, so it's basically here. It's all the board IC going up from the input here and the switch button here. So here is the inside panel of the switch, power switch, which is it's stuck here. So the only way to do is to here you will push it so that can, and after you push it to inside, then go push it to outside, and it's done. That's it. Okay, let's test if it's working. Okay, it's on, then off, then on, off. So it's okay. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and like our page.